This verse code is given to me by Boog. He's a really cool creator with a lot of verse experience. So go check it out. The link of the YouTube channel can be found in description on the server. The link of the server can be found in description as well as in comments. So let's get this started. First of all, I'm gonna put some player spawner, but before that we need a floor where we will spawn. So I'm gonna put, let's say, this one, like 4 of them. Now we are gonna need a player spawner device, which is this one. I'm just gonna put one and make it so that it fits that way. Now I'm gonna make it so that we have a plane like this. You can make it how big you want, but I'm gonna just recite it quickly so that I can show you guys about how to do this, and then later on you can choose whatever size you want. And then I didn't put the thingy. Wait, okay, so I'm gonna press on import, and this is the PNG that I made in like Photoshop. So we're just gonna make it so that it comes here. Wait, so that it goes like this, and just a little bit down also. Okay, now after this, you're gonna put the verse code that you find from my server. So you're gonna go to verse explorer. You have to right click on your project name, add a verse device name, create it as empty, and double click on it to open the verse file. Okay, now here, uh, now if you guys can see here that this is the verse code, this is the verse device player customization. Now what we're gonna do is, to put the verse device, we are going to go to content drawer, and after that in content we are gonna type verse. So as you guys can see, player customization, it is here, and we're gonna make it so that it is not visible in game. After that we are gonna need some trigger devices. So let's go put the trigger device for, let's say, 200 first. So I'm gonna go to Fortnite, or you can go to all also, and type trigger device. This is the trigger device that you're gonna use. You just have to resize it according to the size you put. Make sure it is good enough. And don't put it two ways, because if you put two ways, I will show you what will happen. So if you make it two side, it might happen for this one also, because usually it happens to many of them. Yeah, you see that this like location is not good. You can do something to change that, but yeah, I don't prefer using it for now, so we are not gonna mess with it. So this trigger is the 200 health. So you have to also type the names like this so that you can know which one is which one. So this one is the 180. Now this one is 165. 165. Okay. Now after this we are moving on to the health increase by 1 or by 10. So let's say this one is by 1, increase by 1. Now this one is increased by 10. And you can also type health in the starting so that you know it increased the health, not the shield. And that side will be the decrease. So decrease by 10, and a health in the starting. Now here decrease by 1. And we are just gonna copy paste them, press on Alt, drag them down like this, and just gonna change the name from this to shield. And here also shield and 1. Yield increase by 1. First not 1, 10. So we have them already. So now you're gonna put, select all of them and make sure that visible is not on, they're not visible in the game. Trigger by player is off, trigger by damage on, and everything else off. You can make trigger VFX, SFX, it's on you. Receive damage when it's visible. Invisible, it's like very good. You have to do it, otherwise it will not work. Okay, now so we are gonna look from down here. So first 165, second 180, third 200. Decrease shield by 1. So it's gonna decrease shield by 1 and increase shield by 1. Decrease health by 1. And this is increase health by 1. Now we have decrease shield by 10. Decrease shield by 10. Increase shield by 10. Decrease health by 10. And increase health by 10. And that is it, guys. That's all you need to do in order to make this system work. And make sure that you cover like places like this, as it is not that perfect. But yeah, you can like change the positions up, down, something like this to make it look good, and to make it so that when someone shoots, it actually changes the health. And this one is gonna change the health in 1 second. So it's better than any other system that you use for from before, but now you got this and you have to use it. So make sure to join our Discord server. The link of the server can be found in description. And you what to do. So shield percentage should be on 100%, and max shield you can put it 100. If it's 200, so the health is going to be also on 100% and 100 shield. So PHANTOMYT is signing out. Peace.